You think you can defy us, promise? You do not understand the power you are fighting with.
I understand more than you think, okay, why? My faith is my shield. I will not allow your darkness overcome us.
Yes, Mother. We are stronger together. Your dark powers cannot affect us.
Spirit of the dark, rise and obey. Break the will of those who stand in our way. Spirit of the dark, rise and obey. Break the will of those who stand in our way. Wherefore, your strength has been renewed.
Okay, why, please let me have a drink. I'm tasting.
Hold it there. Your brother first. Do not waste the sacred oil.
Thank you so much, Megwa.
DK, it's time for your wife to be initiated.
I fear for her life.
What?
DK, do not allow your love weaken you. She must be initiated.
What?
DK, what's the meaning of this?
DK.
I didn't see you.
What is it?
I had a strange dream.
Strange dream. It's okay.
Everything seems strange, my love.
Everything seems strange. What seems strange?
I see shadows. And I hear whispers. It feels like something is following me. These past days, I've been having terrible dreams.
Just like my uncle's wife.
Your uncle's wife?
My first wife had the same dream before she died. She ate something caused. But I will not allow that to happen to you. My love, I want you to listen to me. Those dreams are not ordinary. They are not. Every family has secret. Dark secret.
What do you mean?
Listen, my first wife had the same dream before she died.
But what can we do?
I want you to be very careful. Do not eat anything from anybody. Not even from my family members. Be careful of what you eat or drink. I will protect you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. I want you to go inside. Go inside and I will take care of you. I'll protect you, okay? Go inside.
Are you sure?
Go inside.
Are you sure?
Don't be afraid, I'm here. Of protection, shield us from darkness. Let no darkness come near my wife. I will not allow history repeat itself. I will protect my wife. What are you doing here?
I have come to remind you that it is time for you to serve your wife with that portion.
The same thing that killed Nwafo's wife.
Dike, you should realize that Nwafo's wife was weak. Your wife is stronger.
There is nothing like being strong in this matter. This is a spiritual matter.
Dike, she has to. She has to. The spirits demands it.
Mother, I will not. I will find another way. Please.
Dike, if you fail, the spirit will not forgive you, neither will I.
I love my wife. She will not end the way my first wife ended. No. I'll do whatever it takes to protect her.
the mighty God, how great I am. Hallelujah.
Promise. I brought something for you. You need to take it. You need to take it. It's for protection.
What is that?
Drink it. It's for protection.
No, I don't want. Thank you.
No, you do. Look, there's no harm in it. Once you drink it, you'll be protected. I brought it for the members of our family. The way things are happening in our community today, you need it for protection.
No, I don't want it. My God can protect me.
Yes, I know your God can protect you. But you still need to play your own part. You need to take this. It's very important.
I can't take anything that is against my faith. My God will protect me. Wafo, leave me alone, please.
Look, there is nothing there. I mean no harm. You need to drink it for protection.
I can't. Thank you.
You can't?
Thank you.
Promise. Promise.
Are you okay? What is it?
Your brother Wafo, he gave me something to drink and said it was for my protection.
Wafo?
Yes.
And I hope you did not drink it.
No, I didn't.
Thank God you did not. Because Wafo cannot be trusted.
I'm scared, my love. What if he comes back again?
Listen, do not be scared, okay? I will protect you. I've always told you that. Okay, please come inside. Come and let me finish up. What is it? Aya, calm down, calm down. I know what is it. Calm down. Calm down. There are no more here. Calm down. It's okay.
I see shadows. I hear voices. It's as if they want to get to me.
It's okay. Come. 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 It's okay. Come.
But if they come back, I'm scared.
They will not come back again. Come. Wait. Come. It's okay. It's okay. Come. Come. Listen. Calm down. Calm down. Let's call on your God. I thought of doing incantation, but your faith is different. Let's call on your God for your protection, for divine protection. At least for now. Okay?
Please kneel down.
Are we going to kneel down?
Yes. In Jesus' name, oh Lord, protect I and my husband from every harm, from every strange darkness, from every dark power, from every dark powers. In Jesus' name, protect us, protect us, protect us, oh Lord, protect us, oh Lord, shield us, oh Lord, save us, oh Lord, as mountains surrender Jerusalem, that is surrender your children, surrender us with thy power.
Oh, why? Promise. Why is she so relaxed? Who does she think she is? Why is she so safe in my father's compound? And yet she has destroyed everything that we labored so hard to build. Promise. Let me see how long your faith will protect you. We shall see. Why is she so comfortable? Why is she so relaxed? What news do you bring, Samadina? Mother, Promise is too strong in her faith. Mother, we need to act fast. But I noticed that she's still vulnerable to us. But we need to act fast. Spirit of the night, call forth darkness. Let it consume. We will break her. She cannot stand us for long. Yes, Mother. Yes, Mother, we need to break her. We need to act fast. But Mother, how do we go about it? We will invade her dreams and make her question her realities. Fear will be our weapon, and despair will be her downfall. Okay, Wani. Okay, Wani. Mother, I trust you. I will do just that.
Listen to me. I want you to be bold. Be strong. No harm will come near you as long as I live. We will get through this together. And one thing, we must not give them the privilege to take advantage of our fear. Please.
I feel something strange. As if I'm being watched.
Listen, we are protected. Nothing will happen to you, okay?
I hope so. I just pray you're right.
Spirit of protection, surround this home. Shield us from darkness and keep us safe from harm. Spirit of protection, surround this home. Shield us from darkness and keep us safe from harm. Spirit of protection, surround this home. Shield us from darkness and keep us safe from harm. Do not be afraid. Be bold. And most importantly, we must not give them the privilege to take advantage of our fear.
I feel strange, DK. As if we're being watched.
Please, do not be afraid. We are protected. I am sure of that. We are protected.
I pray you're right. I just pray you're right, DK.
We are protected. This charm will keep us safe. I will do everything to protect you, my health. Hello. How are you?
Fine.
Are you going out?
Yes, I want to go for evening service.
Yes, come. Sit.
Okay.
I have something for you.
What is that?
This. A friend of mine gave it to me. He understood our situation, so he prepared this for me. Said I should give it to you. This will stand against dark powers, and this red one will protect life. So it is for you, okay?
My love, thank you, but I don't need it. It's against my faith. God will protect me.
There is nothing bad in this. It's just for protection.
Don't worry. My God will protect me. In fact, God will protect us. I don't need it. Thank you so much for your effort. I don't need it.
If you say so.
Let me go to the church.
Yeah.
Won't you come with me?
No, go.
Come, let's go now.
Go.
Okay, I will see you later. Okay. Ayana, see you later.
He thinks a mere charm can save her. We shall see. Come.
Spirit of darkness, spirit of night, destroy their hope, instill fear. Spirit of darkness, spirit of night, destroy their hope, instill fear. Spirit of darkness, spirit of night, destroy their hope, instill fear. Spirit of darkness, spirit of night, destroy their hope, instill fear. Spirit of darkness, spirit of night, destroy their hope, instill fear. Spirit of darkness, spirit of night, destroy their hope, instill fear. Spirit of darkness, spirit of night, destroy their hope, instill fear.
You know what must be done, DK. Serve the potion.
No, mother. I will not risk her life like Mwafo did.
You keep disobeying me. You know the consequences.
I will protect her, even if it means disobeying you, mother. Why don't you care about my happiness, mother?
You leave me no choice, DK. She must eat it, and now.
Are you okay?
What's wrong with my daughter-in-law? Are you okay?
I think I'm not feeling fine, mother. I need to rest.
Eat.
Mother,
It's important to eat this food so that you have strength. Eat.
I'll eat later.
Alright, Mama, we'll be on our way.
Brother.
She needs to get some rest.
Brother DK. Mother, don't worry.
Eh? Promise must be initiated or eliminated. She cannot escape our grip. Don't worry. Eat your food.
My love, come. Just come, please. What just happened today? Is your mom trying to take my life?
I will not allow that happen. I will not. Listen, I have always told you, I will protect you. Nobody touches your life.
Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm scared.
I have told you not to. You don't need to be scared. As long as I'm alive, nobody touches your life. Come, let's go inside. Come.
Sacrifice. No, it can't be real. No. No, it can't be real. No, it can't be true. This can't be real. It can't be real. What is this? Dike, what is this? This diary talks about rituals, sacrifice, dark powers. What is your family involved in? I'm asking you, Dike. Oh, so this is real. So this is real, Dike. Dike. Ha. Ha.
My love, I am sorry. I should have told you sooner. My family has dark secret, and it comes with price. Every member of my family walk this path. Whether you're born into this family or married into this family, you must walk this path. But this is not what I wanted for you. This is not what I want for you. I want to protect you from this.
You should have told me before we got married. You should have warned me ahead of time.
I'm afraid. I was afraid of losing you. I was afraid of losing you. But I'm telling you now that I will protect you from this. I am fighting, but their power is so strong. I will find a way to break free from their spell.
I can't believe this. I feel trapped. I don't want to be part of the dark powers or their coven. I don't want to be part of it. The book says, join them or die. Join them or be used for sacrifice. I don't want to die. And I don't want to be used for sacrifice.
Listen to me. No harm will come near you. I will protect you. I will be there for you. No harm will come near you. Like I said before, I will find a way to break loose from their controlling power.
How? How can we do this, DK? I'm scared.
Listen, my love. We need to be careful. Very, very careful. We need to be careful. I know why I'm sounding like this, because they will not give up until they get you initiated into the family coven.
I want to believe you. Honestly, I want to believe you. But everything seems like a nightmare. Now I want to know the truth. What are they planning for me?
It is simple. Every member of this family belongs to that coven. Like I told you before, married or born into this family, you must belong there. Now that you're married into this family, they will not give up until they bring you in. That is it.
Oh my God. What do we do now?
It is simple. Vigilant. We need to be vigilant. Careful. I will do everything possible to counter their dark magic. They will not get you. Because I don't want what happened to my first wife to happen to you. I will protect you.
Oh my God. What do we do, DK? What do we do?
Vigilant. We need to stay vigilant. Because they will not give up until you are brought into the family court. I will do everything humanly possible to counter their dark magic. Please, I promise you.
Oh my God. What is this?
Shata didi, ashata lowala didi, irokoko maiko didi, ashata lowala didi. Spirits of the shadows, come and do my biddings. I am here before you. Come and do my biddings. Disrupt this. Let fear grip our hearts. Shata Didi, Ashataluwala Didi. She will not through fear. Gululu Smagara, Urubaba Subaba, Asmagara, Asmagara, Asmagara,
The fool has said in his heart, there is no God. They are corrupt and have done abominable iniquities. There is none who does good. God looks down from heaven. To see if there is any who understand, who seek God. Every one of them have turned aside. They have together become corrupt. There is none who does good. No. Have the workers of iniquity no knowledge? Who eat up my children as they eat bread?
Let the game begin.
I can't believe you lured me into something that would threaten my life. How could I be so stupid not to conduct background checkup on you before getting married to you?
I am sorry. I will protect you. I am sorry. I was afraid of losing you.
You will protect me? How, Dickie? By keeping me in the dark? Or by letting me step into this marriage blindfolded?
I am sorry. I was scared of losing you. I was scared of defying my family. But I am assuring you that I will make sure that you're protected. No harm will come near you.
You were scared. You were scared of your family. Dike, what about me? You brought me into this. Do you even know what I'm going through?
I know. I know because I once had someone I wanted to marry. The moment I told her about the secret of my family, she left me. So I was afraid of losing you that same way. But I am assuring you that you are protected. I will do everything to protect you.
Dike, I can't trust you again. I don't think I can trust you again. You've hidden a lot from me.
Listen, when I look at your faith, it gives me confidence. It gives me hope to believe that you and I, if we are together, we can win this. Please, I will be there to protect you. Please.
Okay, fine. But no more secrets.
No more secrets.
And if we must face this, we will face it together. No more secrets. I mean it. No more secrets.
No more secrets. It's okay.
Promise. Do you think you can defy our orders? You are trespassing on a sacred realm.
I will not be intimidated, Somadina. My faith is stronger than any dark power that your family holds.
You are a stranger in our midst. This community you see is commanded by old black magic. Do you think that your prayers will save you from our hands?
My trust is in my God. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Every tongue that shall rise against me in judgment shall be condemned.
Silence, you foolish woman. The spirits of the ancients are restless. They hunger for the blood of the unwelcome. Very soon, I shall come for your spirit. Do you think that your prayers can protect you from their wrath?
Somadina, your threat means nothing to me.
We shall see how strong your faith is when the spirits shall come for you. They will rend your soul from your body.
The Lord is my light and salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the stronghold of my life. Whom shall I be afraid? I will not be moved, Somadina.
You may win this time, but know this. The spirit shall come for you. They are patient.
Let them come, Somadina. I will not falter. Oh Lord, protect me. Protect me from every dark power. Protect me, oh Lord. Protect me, oh Lord. Protect me, oh Lord. Protect me, oh Lord. Oh God.
of discord, with confusion and strife in the heart of the bond lovers. Let their trust falter. Spirit of discord, with confusion and strife in the heart of the bond lovers. Let their trust falter and their bond broken. Spirit of discord, with confusion and strife in the heart of the bond lovers. Let their trust falter and their bond broken.
DK, is something wrong? You've been distant lately.
There is nothing wrong. I am thinking about everything.
DK, we need to talk. You've been pulling yourself away from me. What is going on?
I've told you. Do not bother yourself. Do not bother yourself. Because you will not understand.
Understand what, DK? Understand what? Eh? That we are supposed to go through this together, but you are shutting me out.
I am not shutting you out, woman. You just don't get it.
Get what, DK? Get what? That you're hiding something from me? Or that you've been acting weird lately? Get what exactly? You promised not to hide anything from me.
Promise? Please. I am doing everything to protect you. That is all.
Protect me? From who? From you? Or from your dark family secrets? Which of them do you want to protect me from?
You think it's all about you? Or about me? No. It is about the entire family. It's about the entire family. And I'm working towards keeping you safe.
Keeping me safe? Safe from what? If you cannot trust me with the truth, how do you expect me to believe in us?
You will. You will. You will believe in us.
I will.
Yes.
DK, I can't do this anymore. I can't.
Promise, beware. Beware of the plots in the dark. They weave spells of deceit and the soul. Trust in your faith, for it will guide you through the shadows. Fight with the light of your heart. Their witchcraft shall falter before true faith.
The light shineth in the darkness, and the darkness overcometh it not. I will not be afraid, will stand firm. I've been given a chance to fight back. I will confront that darkness with the strength of my faith. They will not win.
Has come. We must strengthen our bond and claim that which is ours. No one can stand in our way.
The spirits are with us, and we are going to defeat them.
Yes.
We must. Of the ancient, hear our call. Grant us the spirit to overcome and conquer all.
We offer you our devotion and our loyalty. Make our bond stronger.
Yata didi, ashata lo wala didi. Irokoko Michael didi, ashata lo wala didi. Shata didi, ashata lo wala didi.
I will not be afraid. God is with me. They cannot defeat me. I will defeat them. We will defeat them. They cannot defeat us. In Jesus' name, amen. Why am I afraid? Why? I shouldn't be afraid. I shouldn't be scared of them. No! Oh Lord! Father, protect us from the hands of the evil. Break the chains of the enemy and set us free. Ikapana shanania kade sanania kana shanada. Ila kapana no sia kana no sa shanania kade sanadwa. They cannot win. They cannot win. Ikanana sanano shanada. As mountains surrender Jerusalem, so shall you surrender your people. They cannot win me. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I shall fear no evil, because the Lord is with me. He is my shepherd. I shall not want. There is no enchantment against Israel, neither is there any divination against Jacob. You cannot win. You cannot win me. He that blesses me is blessed, and he that curses me is.
What is this? Gods of the ancient! We must not fail!
Here's the mind. Focus, focus! She must not defeat us!
Yes! Let us redo the incantation! She must die! We must get her down! Okay, why? Okay, why? Go!
Mother, you have gone too far. Promise is innocent in all this.
Innocent, you say? She is the obstacle on our way to power. And since she has refused to be part of the family spiritually, she must be removed.
Mother, I will not let you harm Promise. I will not.
You think you can protect her? You are still bound to the Coven. You cannot escape.
I may be bound to this Coven, Mother. But the love I have for Promise is stronger.
DK, the Coven will not forgive your betrayal.
Then so be it.
My love, are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. We are safe now. We are safe. I will protect you at all cost.
We faced so much darkness and we stood firm.
We are going to continue to stand firm, no matter what comes our way.
Our bond is stronger together. We faced so much and we'll keep facing them together.
Listen, we will continue to overcome together. Our love and faith will keep us together. It will guide us.
Yes. Yes. We will stand together and we'll fight whatever that comes our way.
Together, we are unstoppable.
They are stronger than I thought. Spirits of the night, call forth shadows. Let the their happiness turn to sorrow, victory shall be mine. Their victory shall be dust. I shall revenge.
I was once with you. I was once believed in you. But my mother has broken our path by trying to manipulate me into hurting my wife. I believe that the spirits are fair and just. My path is with promise and not with what any mortal says. Today I stand to denounce, refuse, reject that which I have with the Coven, and so shall it be.
Can defy us, promise. You do not understand the power you are fighting with.
I understand more than you think, okay, why? My faith is my shield. I will not allow your darkness overcome us.
Yes, Mother. We are stronger together. Your dark powers cannot affect us.
Spirit of the dark, rise and obey. Brave the will of those who stand in our way. Spirit of the dark, rise and obey. Brave the will of those who stand in our way.
You think your faith can protect you? You're a fool!
Our faith is stronger than your hatred, Somadina. We are not afraid.
You are nothing but a mere mortal.
We are more than that. We are more than that, Mother. We are united in love and faith, and your dark powers cannot harm us.
This is not over. We will find a way to break you.
You will not succeed, Okewai. We are protected by a higher power.
We did it. We stood firm.
And we will continue to stand firm. They cannot overcome us.
We need to leave.
have wasted enough time. Promise is stronger than we anticipated. She must either be initiated or eliminated. We cannot allow her to disrupt our plans any longer.
Okay, Wani. Promise faith is like a shield which prevents us from getting into her mind.
Then we must break that shield.
Yes.
Nafo,
Come on.
you will lead this effort. Use both physical and spiritual means. Show no mercy.
I have a plan, okay, why? I'll transform myself into her husband and she will not know the difference. I'll transform myself into decay. I'll present a gift to her and that gift will contain our black magic. By the time she accepts it, she automatically becomes ours.
Good. Use all your powers. She must not escape our grasp. Samadina,
Okay, why?
you will assist him with your powers of illusion. You must confuse and weaken her.
Okay, Wani. I will use my power of illusion to make her see only what we want her to see.
Promise does not know what is coming up to her. By the time she realizes it, too late for her.
Remember, Promise downfall is her dominance. We cannot fail. Go now and bring her to us or destroy her. Lose.
She
We will not lose.
She must fail.
Promise must fail.
Wanyoma, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
I brought you a gift, a special gift.
What is that, Dike?
What is wrong with you? Receive gift from me. Is everything okay?
Yes.
I have gift for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I can see you're washing. Just continue what you're doing. Let me check what I kept down there. I'm coming.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Alright, I'm coming.
Thank you.
Ma, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay.
What is this?
A gift from you.
Gift?
Yes.
From me? When? I did not send any gift to you. Who sent the gift to you?
What do you mean? You gave me this gift and you went that way.
Wait. You mean I brought this gift to you?
Yes, you did.
The person looks exactly like me.
You did now. Yes, you. And you went that way.
Wafo is trying to deceive you.
Promise is not perfect. DK came just in time.
Then we must find a way out. We cannot afford any more failures.
Therefore, you must continue with your transformation technique. Yes, but you have to be more cunning and gentle. You have to make Promise believe you. You have to make her trust you. In fact, tell Promise not to accept gifts from anyone if not you.
What if she becomes suspicious?
Therefore, be smart. React exactly the same way DK would react. Use our suspicion to our advantage.
Wafo, Somadina is right. You have to be cunning. Make her believe you are her protector. Once her guard is down, we strike.
I promise I will not fail again.
Of course. Where there is a leader, there is a way.
Go now, Wafo, and bring Promise here. For the fate of this coven depends on it.
Hello, my love.
I'm fine.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Welcome.
I got you something from the market.
Wow.
Something I know that you will like.
What is that?
Get a bit.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Thank you.
Let me help you and put it on.
Okay.
Wow, so nice.
How do I look?
You look good.
Wow, thank you.
The time is near. The charm will soon bind her spirit to us.
She must believe us completely. Wafo must not fail.
Spirits of the dark, help thy servants.
Her spirit must be bound to us.
Promise, what is going on here? What is going on here? Who are you? What is happening here? You, alright. She is my wife. She is my wife. I don't believe this fool. He's fake. I am your husband. I am your husband. Do not listen to him. Do not listen to him.
What is happening here? Who are you?
Listen to me. I am your husband, the Redike. I got you this gift in order to protect you from this man. Listen to me. I am your husband. Whatever he's saying, he's trying to deceive you. Please.
Whoever you are, you cannot break my spirit. I already know the truth from your words. I cannot be fooled.
No! No!
This is not over! We must quickly find another means!
Yes, mother! We must break her spirit. She cannot continue to resist us. She cannot continue to resist us forever. We must break her spirit!
I told you to be careful with him. Come with me. Is at the farm pretending to be me. I rushed back to make sure that you're okay.
What are you talking about, DK?
Listen, I know it's hard to believe, but you have to trust me. I saw him with my eyes. We need to rush back to the farm and put an end to his tricks. Come with me.
Alright, if you think that's the best thing to do, let's go.
Come with me. What are you doing with my wife? Oh, Mwafo. Because you are Mwafo. I am your husband, DK. This is Mwafo. Don't listen to him. You're a liar. He's lying to you. Please, listen to me so that his tricks will be stopped right now. He's lying. I am DK, your husband. I am your husband, DK. This is Mwafo. Don't listen to him. Okay, fine then. Remember the promise we made to each other on our wedding night. Mwafo, I have warned you to leave my family alone.
Stop warning me! What do you mean by you warned me?
Leave my family alone.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Where you get me? Where you get me? Where you get me?
Hello, somebody help us!
Hey!
Hello! Hey! Hello! Are you not sorry?
Mwafo, your failures are testing my patience. Every plan's ruined by your foolish mistakes.
I'm so disappointed in you. You're always so aggressive. Don't you know you are supposed to be soft and cunning so that you can win her over?
You think you could do any better? Huh? Is that what you think? You think Promise is just an ordinary person? She has powers that we cannot comprehend.
Excuses! Excuses! If you had would have succeeded in this mission.
Why dare you talk to me like that? What to have a brain? If I have a brain, you should be ashamed of it. You think you could be any better?
I said it now! You would have done better.
These arguments will only weaken us. We cannot afford division. Wafo, you will have a second chance. But this time, we will combine powers, spells, and cunning tricks to pull Promise down. You will plant an evil spell in Dike's house. You will not confront her. Allow the darkness to seep into her life, breaking her spirit piece by piece.
Okay, I promise not to fail again. This time, I will surely succeed.
Samadina. Okay, why? Guide him. Use your cunning powers to ensure that he does not repeat the same mistake again.
Yes, okay, one. I promise. We shall succeed this time.
We must escalate our efforts. Promise must fall, and Dike's house will be ours. Prepare yourselves! We will strike again.
My love, we need to find a way to know when Nwafo plays his tricks again.
I really need to know, my love. It's terrifying not knowing who to trust.
I have an idea. I will give you a secret question that only I know the answer to.
Okay, but what if he finds out?
He will not. As long as we did not speak it out, he will not find out. It's only memory that we share.
Okay. I feel safer knowing this. Thank you so much.
Together we will win.
Yes, together we will win. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Asmagarakuru. Asimagara kwuru. Asimagara kwuru.
Your failure has brought us disgrace. You were supposed to deceive Promise and get her initiated. Instead, you made her more cautious.
Mother, I tried. But Promise and DK are more observant than I expected. It's not been easy.
Excuses. Always full of excuse. Mwafo, look at what your reckless nature have cost us. You have put all of us in trouble. Now we need to act fast.
Indeed, we have to act fast. We cannot afford any more mistakes. Somadina, what do you propose?
Okay, wine. Allow me to use my subtle nature on Promise. I'll be cunning with her. I'll make her my friend. Then I'll bring her here for initiation.
I think she has a point. If she uses her subtle nature on her, I think that will help her breed her.
How will you succeed where Nwafo failed?
I'll make Promise my friend. When she becomes my friend, I will cajole her. She will willingly accept initiation. But if she refuses, I will lead her to her downfall.
Very well then, you have your chance. But remember, this is our last opportunity. Failure is not an option.
Okay, Nwanye. I will bring Promise for initiation or eliminate her.
Go then and bring Promise here for initiation or eliminate her.
How are you?
I am fine.
Brother Dike, I heard about your clash with Uncle Nwafo. It saddens me when I see our family in conflict like this. It's not good.
Nwafo is a threat to my wife, and I have to protect her.
Dike, I understand your fear, but the Coven can help us ease such fears. But recently you stopped attending meetings. Why?
I am worried about my wife. I am worried about her safety, and I don't want her in danger.
Brother Dike, I love you and I love your wife, promise. The Coven is a place of protection and care for those we love. Dike, I am your sibling. I cannot see any harm or evil come to you or your wife, promise. The Coven is a place of protection and care for those we love. That is why your presence is needed, and that of your wife in the Coven. It's for our own good. I cannot, as your sister, see any evil or harm come to you.
The Coven. So Madina, I am not sure. I am not sure.
Dike, trust me. I'm your sister. I care so much about you. We are stronger together.
So Madina, I will think about it. I will think about it.
Okay, please do. How is your wife? How is she doing?
She's fine. It's okay.
I'll be on my way. Send my regards to her.
I will.
What is it again this time? Eh? Your action have spoiled everything that we worked for. What is it? Hey!
I didn't mean it so. So what do you propose now? What do we do?
Listen, you just have to follow me back to Dike's house. Yes, when we get there, you need to plead for his forgiveness. Pretend that you are remorseful. Let him forgive you.
So after that, what next?
You have to make him trust you again. Once he trusts you, we can influence him more easily. His trust is our key.
Are you sure it's going to work?
Together, we can make it work.
No problem. I'll do as you say.
Nwafo.
Let's go.
Knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Is anybody at home? Brother DK. Well done.
Okay.
Sit.
Hey, Brother DK. Please, be calming down. Eh? Calm down. What Nwa here did is wrong. It is totally wrong. In fact, it's an abomination. Nwa has no right whatsoever to try harming your wife, our beautiful wife. It's wrong. Please.
Samadina. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you.
Hey, Nwafo, ask DK for forgiveness. Show him that you're sorry for what you did.
DK, I am deeply sorry for everything that happened. I just did it out of anger and jealousy. I didn't mean to harm her, honestly. Please, I'm very sorry about the whole thing.
Nwafo, action speaks louder than words. Tell me, how am I sure that you are sorry?
I'm ready to make amends. I'm ready to do anything to show how sorry I am. And I promise it will never happen again. Just please find a way in your heart. Place in your heart to forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.
Forgive him. We are siblings. He has promised you it will never happen again. Let us stay together and forge ahead as one family.
What is going on here?
Why?
Somadina and Nwafo here, they came to say sorry. They came to apologize for what he has been doing to you.
Promise. I promise to make amends. I'm deeply sorry about the whole thing. It wasn't intentional. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.
All right. I will let the past go. But any more troubles from you, we will have to reconsider everything.
It will never happen.
It will never happen again.
I give you my word.
Our beautiful wife.
It will never happen.
It will never happen.
Yes. Thank you.
Our plan is working. DK is starting to trust us. Good. The time is near and we shall soon have what we desire.
DK is gradually losing his gas. Very soon, promise, will be within our grasp.
Let the spirit of the night bless us, for soon we shall have the power we seek.
Remember, this is only the beginning. We must keep the illusion strong.
Sure.
I will continue to follow DK gently. Soon, promise, shall be initiated.
Our power will grow, and very soon we'll have no other powers to contend with.
The night shall be ours, and the day will bow to our will.
victory shall be ours.
Comfortable with your sister's visit. I mean Somadina. Something isn't right.
I understand your worries. Somadina, she spoke of peace. She wants to bring peace back to the family.
After everything that happened, we can't trust her.
My love, this is my family. No matter the troubles, Somadina, she seems sincere. Let us give her a chance and at the same time be careful.
I don't just want us to be hurt again, that is all.
You're right. But we need to give her a chance. If peace returns to this family, I think we will like you like it.
No problem. I trust you. I trust you can handle it.
It's alright.
Let me go inside. I want to go to the farm. Let me go and get my dress. Let me go and get vegetable for food.
Let me finish up.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Alright.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, God.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Good afternoon, they're welcome.
Hey! Promise, my wife.
Somadina.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I was actually heading to your farm. I need to collect vegetables to use.
Okay, you can take as much as you want from my basket.
No, this one will not be enough for me. I need a lot more. I am cooking for guests, so I need more vegetables.
Okay, you can go. But please, be careful not to take too much.
Mbano, I will not take too much. I'll make sure I reserve enough for you.
Okay, you can go.
Oh. Dalu, how is my brother?
He's fine.
Greet him for me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Spirit of the night, bind promise permanently close to us. With every step that she takes, let her be drawn closer to us. Our wish shall always be her command. With this, promise is permanently ours. Promise you're done.
My daughter, we are happy about your success so far. Now speak and tell us how far you've gone.
Okay, I have prepared the charm, and the charm is already hidden in the garden. Immediately Promise has contact with that garden, she will be bound to us in this coven.
What if DK gets to the garden before Promise?
Allah has finished.
I have plans for that. You see, I plan to lay my hands on personal items belonging to Promise. If I can lay my hands on any item like her clothes or whatever she used always, with that, I can bind her permanently to this coven.
But what if Promise has a charm that is stronger than what we expect? What if he already knows that we are already there? What if he can sense our presence?
I put that into consideration while preparing the charm. As soon as I cast a spell on her personal item, her spirit will be permanently bound to us in this covenant. We can always use her whenever and however we want.
You've really tried so far, and I would say you continue with this skill to execute this very task. Just try it.
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you very much. You've done well. You've done well.
Thank you, Kewan. That will not work. It has to be something that she uses always. What will that be? Okay, why? I must act quickly. Before Promise wake up. I have to be there before she wakes up. By the power of the Coven, Promise, let this charm bind you to our will until we hold you tight. It is done.
Why are they after me? What have I done? Why are they after my life? Oh God, please save me. Save me. I need to find a way out of here. I can't keep running.
What is it?
I had the most terrifying dream.
Dream?
Someone was chasing me through the village paths. It feels so real.
It's okay. It's just a dream. It's just a dream, eh? Come. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's just a dream, eh? It's okay. It's okay.
I think this is coming from your family.
Listen, I know. And I know that they have done a lot of things that can make you feel unease. But Somadina, she seemed so real. She wants peace. And she condemned Nwafo's actions. All we need to do is to give them chance. Give peace chance. We will as well be careful, and let's give peace chance.
I want to believe you, but it's hard. What if it's a trick?
Yes, if it's a trick, I will protect you. See, the only point here now is let us be open and at the same time cautious. I will be there for you if they are playing tricks. I'm sorry.
I just want us to be safe.
We are safe. We are safe, eh?
Somadina is so kind, so helpful. She's only trying to help. She wants peace. Somadina is good. She means well. DK will be pleased. Everything will be fine.
Promise.
9.
I want to go and see my friend.
Okay.
I will be back very soon.
Okay. And 9. I've been thinking. You know, you are right. We shouldn't let fear come in between us and your family members. Somadina means well.
Yes. You're right. She means well.
Somadina is so kind. She's so kind. She brings peace to this family. There's no need of being careful again. No need of being careful. Everything is fine now.
Somadina means well. There's no need of being careful.
There's no need. She's good. She's kind. And she's family. So there's no need of being careful again.
Have you been feeling well?
I feel good. I feel excellent. In fact, I'm making your best meal today.
Okay. It's alright. But one thing is sure. We should not let down our guard, no matter what. I'll be right back.
Okay, bye-bye. So. Peace, harmony. Only you. Somadina brought it into our home. Hey, what a kind woman. Somadina, my sister-in-law.
Spirit of the ancients, thank you for binding promise to my command. Spirit of the blood of the moon, the shadows of the night, bind the mind and soul of promise to my command. Let my will be her control and her guide. Always, forever. Promise mind is now in my grip. Her thoughts tied to my will. She will serve my purpose, and through her, I will control decay. Now, what shall be my next move? How best do I use this power? Spirit, guide me. Let my path be clear and my power absolute. I must act quickly. DK is at the farm. This is the perfect time. This initiation portion must reach promise. It will bind her to the Coven forever. Once she drinks this, there will be no turning back. Her soul will be ours.
Knock, knock. Is anybody at home? Is anybody at home?
Somebody. Good morning.
Oh, good morning, my brother's wife. And how are you?
I'm fine, no.
Hey.
You came. Your brother has gone to work, or he's not around.
Bano, don't worry. I didn't come here for my brother's sake. I came to see you. No problem at all. Yesterday I was in my farm. I saw this fertility plant. Immediately, you and my brother came to my mind. I said, let me prepare this herbal plant for you. I made it throughout the night. I did not sleep. I worked so hard to prepare it.
Yeah.
So I said I should bring it.
That's so thoughtful of you. Huh? Thank you so much. I will share it with your brother when he returns from work.
No. I told you, this one is for you. This is for females. It's for women. The one I made for my brother is at home. If you don't mind, I can rush to the house and bring his own.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
You will wait?
Yes, I'll wait.
You sure you will wait for me?
I'll wait for you. I'll wait. It's not you.
Your own. Just drink your own. This is your own.
No problem.
Let me rush to the house and bring your husband soon.
Okay, I'm waiting for you.
Drink your own. Let me go and get your husband soon.
Thank you.
I'm coming. Wait for me.
Thank you so much. I'm waiting.
I'm coming.
Hey, Somadina, this is so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. Hey, good sister-in-law. God bless you.
Foolish woman, the portion is meant for you alone. The Coven plan will not be thwarted. I will fulfill my mission, no matter what it takes. I must return quickly. She must drink the portion alone. Only then will she be completely under our spell.
Oh, let me go inside and wait for her. I shouldn't stand here. Let me go and wait for her. Jesus! What kind of thing is this? Oh! What kind of bad luck is this now? When everything has started going well, this one just happened. What kind of thing is this? Where will I even start from? Hey! Wow, what kind of bad luck is this? Everything has just poured away. Oh, everything has finished. I just hope Somadina still have some portion for me.
Spirit of the forest, guide my step, protect our plan, let no harm come to our mission. I will succeed, I must succeed.
Samadina.
Hey! Promise!
Samadina.
Ah, what happened?
I'm sorry. I waited for you, so I decided to go inside. And I missed my step. So the harp fell. I'm sorry.
The harp did what? What is wrong with you? Eh? Do you know what you just did? Do you know what you just did? Eh?
I'm sorry.
Can you ever do anything right?
I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
Do you know what it cost me to prepare this harp?
I'll make it up to you. Oh, Pico, I'm sorry. Please. Pico, no. I'm sorry. So. I'm sorry. Pico, I'm sorry. Please.
Anyway, don't worry. I will prepare another one. But this time around, you have to be very, very careful.
I'll be careful. I will. I'm sorry, please. It will not happen again.
Yeah. Nejima, how are you people? You're fine. Ejima, have you eaten today? Have you eaten today? Ejima, look at me. Have you eaten today? Make sure you feed him more. Promise. 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 Where could she be? She must be in the church. Mwafo, Somadina, Ukewanya.
Sorry about the spilled portion. Please forgive me. It was a mistake. I really want to make things right. Please, I'm sorry.
Promise, it's okay now. You've pleaded enough and I've already forgiven you. Honestly, I don't plan to hold any grudge against you. Eh? Although it was not easy for me to prepare that herb I brought for you. I worked so hard to make it. But all the same, I'll forgive you. You're my brother's wife.
Oh, thank you so much.
There's nobody in the church. Where could she be? Where could she be?
Ah, my husband.
Promise.
Yeah, my husband.
Where have you been? Are you okay?
Husband, what is it?
Are you okay?
I am fine. Ah.
I came back home, I did not see you. Where went you?
My husband, I'm sorry. I went to apologize to Somadina for spilling the portion of herbs she brought for me.
Did you drink it?
No.
Did you drink it?
No, I didn't. What is the problem now? What is it? Eh? I didn't. I apologized to her. And she was kind enough. She said she will prepare another one for us tomorrow. I'm sorry.
Go inside.
Is everything okay?
Just go inside.
Okay.
They had it again. So Somadina wants to use her trick to lure my wife into this initiation. She will not succeed. I must protect her. I must protect my wife. My wife cannot go the way my first wife went. No.
Calm yourselves. We must be focused. The spill of the potion is just a setback. We must achieve our goal.
Promise. Oh. Okay, one. Promise destroyed everything I worked so hard to make by spilling that potion. Eh? She carelessly destroyed everything.
Why must things always go wrong? Why? Why? Huh? We just have to act quickly before things get out of control.
The spell we cast on Promised is still effective. We must use this to our advantage. Somadina, you have to try again, but this time, be more cautious.
The issue is, how do I get her to take the potion again without raising suspicion?
Instead of giving her the potion directly, lure her to the house, make it a friendly gesture, then you give her to drink.
I think that's a very good idea. We need to bring her to the house so that we can monitor the effect of the potion on her. So we need to be very careful with what we're doing so that it doesn't, get exposed.
I think I'll do just that. I'll make sure I bring Promise to the house. Then I'll give her the potion myself and make sure she drinks it.
Good. Remember, the spell is still working, but this time we have to be patient and precise.
Thank you, Okemai. I will try my best. I will not fail this time.
Somadina, we need to talk.
What? Sit down.
Madina, I am worried. Promise might tell Dike about the portion and he will discourage her not to come to the house.
Mama, you don't have to worry. The spell that we cast on Promise still have control over her. This night, I will invade her dream. I will make her not to trust Dike.
Brilliant plans! If Promise distrusts Dike, then whatever you say she will do.
Exactly, Mama. Mama, by the time she wakes up tomorrow morning, she will trust no one else but me. Somadna.
May the spirits guide you, my daughter.
Sure, Mama.
You have my blessings.
Sure, Mama. By tomorrow morning, Promise will be completely under our control. She will pay us a visit. Mama, I am coming.
That's my daughter. That's my daughter.
Spirit of the night, I want you to invade Promise's dream this night. Make her to believe the truth as I want her to. Over you. Why are you after your wife with a machete? Dike, stop! When you are supposed to protect her, but you are the danger itself. Stop!
What happened? What happened?
Dike, you were overtaken by black magic. You need to be more careful. If not, they might be back next time. And it will be more disastrous. Promise, you're safe with me. Calm down. Nothing will happen to you. I'm here. Let's go home. It's okay. Relax. Relax.
What is it?
I'm okay.
The way you jumped up, is everything okay?
I'm fine.
still plan on visiting Somadina today?
Yes. I need to apologize to her and learn how to make the house too.
I will not stop you, but I want you to be very, very careful. Be very careful.
I need to go and tell Somadina about this dream. What if Dike really wants to hurt me? No, I need to tell her.
still plan on visiting Somadina today?
Yes. I need to apologize to her and learn how to make the house too. Anna. Mom. It's me.
Hey. Promise. Kim.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, come and sit down. Come and sit down. Huh? Feel at home. Let me go and get it from the kitchen.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Yeah. Promise. It's the passion. Okay. Oh yeah. Drink it. Listen. Drink. It's good for you. Don't waste time. Drink it. DK.